Hi, if you need to enable or disable battery saver on Google Pixel Watch Free, then let me show you two ways how you can do this. The first one is you need to press this crown to open list of apps. Here, just go through this list and find settings. And then rotate this crown to find battery tab. And in here, you can actually find battery saver. So it limits background activity and turns off always on screen, which is like always on display. And notifications may be deleted. So here you can set to turn it off when charged and to turn on at 15%. If you can see that switchers are yellow, then those features are on. To enable battery saver, tap on the switcher so it will become yellow as well. To disable, tap it so it will be gray. More easier way how you can reach this feature is by going in quick settings. So swipe down from your watch face and here find this battery icon with battery percentage. Tap it once and you'll see the suggestion to turn on battery saver. So scroll down and tap this white check mark to confirm, and after that icon will become white, meaning battery saver is on. To disable, just tap it like that, and on the bottom you will see that mode is off. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.